Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Tuesday. No, Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. So, for today, what I'm looking Apple, Google, and Nvidia. That's it. I want to see, I kind of need a retracement from the market to enter any of these possible trades. I want to see, like, oh, where is it? I'm still holding 4 contracts or of Netflix. I would like to see Nvidia going back down to 487, 488, around there. Want to see it like retesting this previous resistance for maybe a break and retest play. Same with Google, 135 or 134.50, around there. 135, 134.50 will be like perfect. And Apple, 182, 183. Those are the levels that I'm looking. But yeah, first of all, I want like mm, something. Okay, so let's see Google. Let's see Google. It's moving. Why is Netflix not? What the heck? Why is this chart not working? Oh yeah. Mm. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with my Netflix play. Pretty happy. If you guys are on my Discord and you want to play Netflix again, you have there what's the entry. What would be the entry for Netflix if you want to play it again? I'm not gonna re-enter Netflix because I still have 4 contracts. I took a lot of profits and I'm just leaving some runners completely 100%, 1000% risk free. I'm gonna put here Nvidia because I'm not really gonna watch Netflix. I'm just holding. Yeah, I like Nvidia here. Okay, let's see. I like Nvidia weekly 500. Yeah, I think Nvidia wants to go back to 502, which is previous all-time high. Yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. We want to see Nvidia holding this pre-market high. Google Google it's been acting so weird. I don't like. Yeah, I don't like how Google is doing. No, now it's looking better. We want to see it holding um yeah, 135. So Google can maybe do a 3-bar play here, but it's kind of weak compared to the rest of the market. Like Netflix is very strong, Nvidia is strong. Ooh. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, Apple is crazy strong. Yeah. Okay, so Google now held this 135, kind of looking good here. If yeah, right there. If can hold 90 MA as support, I think Google is gonna go. But we need to be careful because the SPY is near this 151 resistance. 150, I'm sorry, 451, 452. Yeah, I don't like the move there. That Google is rejecting pre-market high. Same with the Q. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like that. Ooh, Tesla is just dying. Okay, we want to see the Q holding here, but it's looking pretty bearish. I did take Nvidia calls. I don't recommend it right now. I don't like what the market is doing. Mm. We want to see Nvidia holding 486. If cannot hold 486, I'm gonna get out. But so far, everything's looking very bearish. So if you don't want to lose money, get out. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Yeah, I guess I was early here, but I did like this candle on Nvidia. But yeah, I guess I should have waited for the retracement that I wanted to see pre-market. I think Tesla, if can hold 252, that's a very, very good entry for calls. But first, you need like some type of change of direction here. You need confirmation here. So far, it looks very weak. Google, look this bounce from 135. That's pretty bullish. But the market just weak today. Looks weak. But it's holding. So I think as long as it's holding support or my levels, I'm gonna still be in Nvidia. Again, if you guys don't want to lose money, get out. SPY could go back down to 440, 448. That's the other level that I see. Yeah, around 448, which is near pre-market low. Yeah, I'm doing futures. Just like I don't need to really be trading right now futures, only getting in and out because all my accounts are already up 3K, which is what I need for to be approved. So right now I only need to trade like 4 more days on futures, and then I'll get approved on a real account, and that's it. So for now and 4 more days, I only need to like get in and out, and that's it, to maintain my 3K. I have more than 3K on all accounts, but I need to have 3K or more on each one. So for now, I'm just gonna get in and out, and so they can, because I need to trade for those 7 days for them to approve. Even if I'm 3K already, I need to trade for 7 days. But yeah, I'm gonna keep trading futures, but only with very good like SPY setups. Like I would not take any future here because I don't know what SPY is gonna do. Maybe here because that's a strong level of resistance. But yeah, only looking. I'm only gonna trade futures with very good SPY setups, like gaps, break and retest, stuff like that. Nvidia looks crazy weak. I don't like that. But it's still holding there. So Martinez, you should not be playing Nvidia because you cry every time you you lose money. Nvidia is too expensive for you. Nvidia move $1 and you're gonna lose like down and you're gonna be crying that you're losing money. Well, you're gonna keep losing money if you keep doing exactly the same thing without getting education. So don't expect something different if you're not learning. Okay, spy. Okay, so spy is strong while tag is very weak. But if Apple is flat, Apple is very strong. Apple is just going. So I don't know. This is weird. This is weird. If Nvidia loses this level, it's gonna go to 481. So up to you if you wanna hold or get out. Mm. Just because Nvidia is up $50 on the past few days doesn't mean you cannot trade today. Everything depends if you're like day traded, swing traded, or what. You can have a trade every single day. Like if you play puts here, you have a trade. Just because Nvidia moved $50 the past few days doesn't mean anything. And more for Nvidia. Nvidia can move like a lot. Netflix is bouncing from the 428 level that I talked about on my Discord. If you wanted to re-enter re-enter Netflix, here 428, and it's exactly doing that. I don't care what Google is gonna do anymore because I don't like how Google it's been moving. We need like for Nvidia to really move, we need the Q to move higher. But so far, it's holding. This is what I'm seeing on NVIDIA. These previous resistance here, look, all these weeks, it should hold. If not, it's gonna go to this level, around 480, 481, 480. But again, we need the Q to like go higher here. Let's see what's the next resistance here. Why I don't have levels here? Now we just need to be patient and trusting on your plan. Tesla, what's Tesla doing? Ooh, yeah. Look, Tesla is bouncing from 252. Like, if consolidates around here or breaks VWAP and INEMA, I think Tesla is gonna go back up to yesterday high at least. Yeah, but Tesla looks pretty good. Netflix, perfect rebound from 428. That was easy money on Netflix, easy. Just all about trusting your levels. Same here with Nvidia. Look how Nvidia bouncing from this level. But now we need to be careful here because the SPY is getting close to this big resistance here from 452 to 451. That's a big resistance on SPY. Big one. Yeah, guys, look how perfect this Netflix um for 428 bounce was. That's how important it is to have a plan and follow it and trust in your levels. Same with Nvidia. Look, this level here bounce looking pretty good. Yeah, and Apple looks great, but it's too late for me to enter. 10 is same, like this bound from 252, easy. But yeah, so SPY is here at this big level. I will be careful with any loans that I have. Um, yeah, I'm up huge with that Netflix play from yesterday. I added more of Nvidia here, so I'm already up a lot on Nvidia. Mm. Apple is so strong and like crazy strong. Like it looks like it wants to go like look at this. It's just like it gap up a lot, but this is what I post on Discord. Like levels, levels, levels. Look, exactly the same. Like I wanted to see a retracement, and this is what I didn't took Apple, but you're seeing holding pre-market high. I think then the next one, the next level is 187, and then you have this huge gap here. So I'm not gonna take Apple, it's already run too much. That will be like chasing. But yeah, if you're in Apple or if you want to play Apple, look how it's gonna react to this 187 level, which is kind of like a double top, and that's where it starts the gap that it made from earnings. Google, it's another one. Look how it bouncing from 180, 135, went down. Look this week. When you have wicks like these means like the buyer step in like fast and strong. So that's a strong reaction. 135. Like again, on Discord, I said today I pulled back to 134, 135. I believe will be a great opportunity to enter a trade to play the upside continuation. Like you don't even need me here on the stream. Only with the levels that I post on Discord, you're more than good to play your own trades. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with Netflix. That was like beautiful play from yesterday. Awesome. Yeah, Google looks amazing. From the 135 pounds, looks great. Nvidia is kind of having trouble here, but I want to see a break in this resistance here. It looks like it's having a lot of trouble around 490, 490, 491. Yeah, I want to see that. That looks perfect. My final PT on Netflix is 436. After that, I don't have more levels. Let me check. It can be 440 maybe. So I have a little bit above it. It's more like 437. Like this week, if you saw my end of the day trade, end of the day video recap yesterday, but mostly on Monday, I explained how I see these weeks. That for me, the get field. So that's why my PT is this week here till 437, 436, and then this one here too. But yeah, after 437, 436, I think the next resistance is around 440. I have all my Netflix contracts are in the money. Okay, Spice having trouble here. Um, let's see how this is gonna close. Netflix, Netflix, Netflix. I don't have a PT on, like my PT on Nvidia is 500, but I don't know if, I don't think it's gonna go there today. So I don't know. I'm just gonna see how it's gonna move. I'm just gonna manage how it move on the way. But it's kind of looking weak. I don't like that it's having so much trouble here at pre-market high. I want to see a break in this pre-market high and use it as support. So if you're on Nvidia and you're green, I will take some profit here because Nvidia having too much trouble there, and the market is at a strong resistance. SPY is at a strong resistance. The Q is looking very strong, but Nvidia is not really moving much. Bro, Google like 135 was so perfect, so easy, so perfect. Google's gonna go to 137 easy again. 137.30. Come on, Nvidia, just move. It doesn't look bearish, but it's just having a lot of trouble. It needs to break this level here. If it breaks these, I think it's gonna go easy to 500, but it needs to break here. But I like that it's using previous resistance as support, so that's bullish. But it needs to like move. Anybody got Tesla out of this 252 level? Tesla is looking great also. But nothing better than Netflix. Nothing better than Netflix. Not even Apple. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, now Nvidia is moving. And not. Bro, Netflix. Mm-hmm. Netflix, Netflix, Netflix. I don't need anything else. In fact, I didn't even wanted to trade anything. I just wanted to like see what Netflix was gonna do today. Mm, yeah, it looks great. Snow, yeah. But watch 156 on snow. It looks like a very strong resistance. Okay, so now we need Nvidia here. Thank you. Bro, Apple just started um watch Apple on the gap. Like how is gonna if it's gonna hold 187. Like okay, this is how okay, I kinda like Apple even though I feel like I'm gonna chase, but if Apple can like break a little bit higher and then retest one this high here and play the gap, I think will be a very good trade. But I'm gonna wait a little bit. Ooh, so Apple. Okay, I'm gonna put Apple here because I think this game, even though it's already up a lot, I think any retest to 187 can be a good opportunity to enter. Yeah. Let me see exactly what's the top on this week. Yeah, so it is 187.16 around there. So we want to see Apple holding 187.16. Let's put a line here. Mm, mm, mm. So we want to say SPY holding here because if SPY doesn't hold here, um, it's gonna drag the market down. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, that's a 5 minute engulfing candle. So if it closes like this, bigger than the one before, it means we're gonna change direction here. But mostly I'm looking at these 30-minute candles here. Yeah, that's an ugly rejection there. So I'm gonna take some profit on Nvidia. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. What do you mean? Like the VWAP is here, but the VWAP is too far from Apple. Yeah, it needs to hold here. But no, I'm looking mostly SPY and QQQ. Both are under the VWAP, so that's gonna drag the market down. We wanna see both the SPY and the Q holding the VWAP, but so far both like SPY's under. It can bounce here, but it's still under the VWAP. But Netflix, like if you're enter from yesterday, like you should already be in over 200%, and you also should have taken a lot of profits. So 436 was my main PT and already hit. So I'm like only holding like one contract, like one contract per contract. So I'm only holding one contract of 420, 425, and 430 and 435. I don't know if I play a break and retest on the queue because Spy 452, 451 is a very strong resistance, so I don't know if he's gonna like bounce here. I don't see a Spy breaking this resistance today, like at all. And everything is making like very ugly, like 30-minute candles at resistance. So if any, I will play puts, but I think it's kind of late. If these 30-minute candles on Apple and Netflix and Nvidia closes like that, that's very bearish. Well, let's see if SPY can hold like this morning base here. But it looks extremely weak. Yeah. Nvidia keep holding 285, like 480, these levels, 485, 486. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we want to see a SPY holding here, like kind of like these level here. That's yesterday high. So yeah. And yeah. But it looks like it's not gonna do it. The Q definitely pretty weak. Mm-mm-mm. Spy filled this little gap that he had from yesterday, and we're dying. I have a regular VWAP. I don't have like different VWAP. I don't know what you want me to show because I haven't touched VWAP. I just put VWAP and that's it. I didn't like change my VWAP. Just like a regular VWAP that you can have on any broker. Also, I don't think using VWAP it matters. Like I can trade like without VWAP. I don't think VWAP matters much. But if you wanna use VWAP, it's just like a regular VWAP. Ooh, that's an ugly daily candle on SPY so far. Like ugly. Clear rejection of this area here. Let's see if we're gonna hold this level here. If we're holding this level, we're gonna go back up to here and then back down and then just maybe stay between these two levels because I really don't think SPY is gonna break this resistance because this resistance is a very strong resistance and it's been a resistance for like weeks. Yeah, we have resistance, resistance here too, support here too. So I don't think SPY is gonna break that resistance today. Okay, we're holding here. Let's be patient. So, how are you guys doing so far? Did you make any money today? If you're in Netflix or if you took profits on Netflix today, you should be up huge. And I should have more likes there because only 45 likes with almost 100 people here. That's so boring. 30% Tesla, nice. Nice. Yeah, Tesla was amazing. You made money, Martinez? Finally. Finally. Did you took Netflix yesterday? 50% on Apple? Nice. Honestly, I'm like looking Apple and I kind of want to enter calls, but tomorrow I think we have like important data coming out. Um, in where is it? Yeah, tomorrow we have very important data, and I think it's pre-market. Wait, let me check. Let me see here. Um, yeah, core PCE, unemployment, and then we have PMI on Friday. So I kind of don't feel like swinging much. Like I don't feel like swinging calls this week because it's too risky. Like I was okay swinging Netflix yesterday because I knew we didn't have anything important today. But tomorrow the core PCE is extremely important. Oh yeah, Apple looks good for puts for a quick scalp. Yeah, definitely. Because you have these strong rejection on the 30-minute candle at a very strong resistance. So yeah, I think Apple is good for puts. As long I will prefer to see Apple losing the VWAP and using it as resistance. But yeah, we'll see. If keeps using VWAP as support, I think it's gonna go back up. If loses VWAP here, I can see it going back down to at least this wait, um, maybe 185.40 around there. But SPY and the Q are both looking weak. So I think right now the market can go either way. No. Sí, Edgar. Gracias por tú estar aquí, la verdad. Maybe the like spy in the queue looks kind of like a head and shoulder here. Add resistance. So I kind of like head and shoulder play here, but I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm fine with the plays that I have with Nvidia and Netflix, and I'm not just gonna keep trading here. You mean what is it in Spanish or English? Oh no, it was off. The audio was off. So I need whatever that when everything's going smoothly, this is how I see you guys when I'm trading and doing good. But when I have like any like audio problem or something like that, I see people like commenting, like going hard. Google is still looking pretty good. Mm, you hear me? Okay, you guys hear me now? Yes. Okay. Okay. Netflix looks like it's flagging. Yeah, I don't know what's so difficult to get likes here. Every time like I see a video with like little likes, I feel like not doing this anymore. Like I'm like, why bother? It's easier for me to just trade by myself. I think in the future I'm just gonna trade like 1 2 days and that's it on the stream, and then I'm gonna keep trading just by myself, because when I trade by myself, which is sometimes on Fridays, I just put a Netflix show and I'm just waiting for my trade to come. Thank you, Nish. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I don't believe that. Like you can like a video on your phone. Okay, then let's go Nvidia. Let's go. Yeah, 80%, but still. The video sometimes had like 300, 400 watt and only like 60 likes. Like, mhm. Donnie, how much contracts or shares you have on that stock? You're talking about that stock every single day. Or how much money have you lost there? Thank you for the support, John. Thank you. I do trade on Discord. Like, but I think honestly, I think the best way for you to trade and to learn how to trade is to understand it. Like, I only post on my Discord my plans because that's how you should be trading. Like, okay, let's go over like why why did I take Nvidia? Like, this is my plan that I have pre-market. So 487, 485, um, this 487 level, that's what I had. So let's just say I had this level here, around here, right? But obviously you can change that after pre-market because I post this around 8, 7:30, so before pre-market is like around pre-market. But so if you have a plan to trade Nvidia, if all this support, why not taking that? Like 10K views? Who's that dude? I want to see his streams. My day to day, I only took Nvidia. Like I didn't do anything else. Only Nvidia. Um, but I do post at least 2, 3 end of the day videos, like end of the day recaps on here on my Discord. So what I'm saying. So let's go over why it is so important to have a plan pre-market. So yesterday, if you saw my end of the day recap video that I post on my Discord and also I posted on Daisy's Discord, you saw that I only had 3 charts that I was looking. Only 3. No more. Um and I couldn't take Nvidia or Tesla because both already ran before the 10 a.m. Data that I was waiting, and I was very patient, and I said, I'm not gonna trade only after the data coming up. And that's what I did. And why did I trade? Because I only have Nvidia, Tesla, and Netflix on my watch list, and I couldn't take Nvidia or Tesla because they already were up like a lot, so I was not gonna chase. The only one that I had left was Netflix, and Netflix was at a perfect, um, not a perfect, so it was right at my going with my plan. What was my plan? Like, here is my plan. I wanted to see Netflix breaking this level and holding it. And what did Netflix did right like at around 9:45, 10 a.m. before the data coming up? He Netflix broke. Let's go with Netflix here. So Netflix, let's go here. 5 minutes. Here. Right at 9:45, Netflix broke these 418 resistance. These resistance that I was talking about pre-market. So, um, broke that. The 10 a.m. data came up, went down, kind of tried to retest, and this is when here I took Netflix around here. Why? Because that was my plan, and that's it. That was the only trade that I took yesterday. The only trade. And it was huge. No need to take more trades. Today, today I post 4 charts only. I had Netflix, Nvidia, Google, and Apple. I only post Netflix because it was a continuation of my trade. I was not looking to trade Netflix today, but I was looking to trade Nvidia or Google or Apple. Apple just ran a lot without me, so that was one less that I have to trade today. So I had Google, Nvidia, Apple, right? I couldn't trade Apple because it ran too much without me. I didn't see it, like I didn't took it, so it was too late for me to chase Apple. So that was I only have two left: Google and Nvidia. According to my plan, both were around there on the levels that I was looking. And I just took Nvidia because it looked better than Google at that time. And it's still looking better than Google. Why? Nvidia, at the moment I took it, which I think I should have waited, but still, I took it on this 5 minute candle, which again I should have waited because I don't really trade the first like 10-15 minutes of market open. But yeah, I got kind of in a rush, but that was a bad entry. But then I was like, okay, let's see what's my support, resistance, what are the levels that I should be looking on Nvidia, even though I already had my level here, 487 around this level. So you have 487 here, and then I see this support here, this support here, this support here. So now this is a level that I needed to watch. That's why I said as long as Nvidia is holding here, I'm gonna be in. And then when I saw this 5 minute candle, it's this 5 minute candle. It's pretty bullish. When you have a wick like this, that's bullish. Most of the time when you have something like this candle here, that's a candle reversal pattern. So you have this candle, and then you have one like this, and then the next one is like that. So um so yeah, I got a lot of contracts here because this is a clear um bullish candle at support, at a strong support. And yeah, I'm still holding. I took a little bit of profits around here because I saw it was struggling too much on this level, but I'm still holding. Why? Because it's not even near my stop loss. But yeah, so yeah. And that's it. You don't need to trade. You don't need to take a bunch of trade. I just took one trade today, one trade yesterday, and that's it. Keeping it simple, very simple. With break and retest, well, not so much the break and retest, mostly like it's just like a break of a strong resistance, and now you have confirmation that that resistance is acting as support. That's it. Yeah, no problem. So, so. Okay, the market's not doing much. Um, I think it's 11 o'clock. I think I'm gonna be done here already. But, um, so I'm holding Nvidia. I'm not even gonna look Netflix, honestly, unless it breaks 428. I'll sell the two runners that I have, but so far I'm not even gonna look Netflix. I'm just gonna put an alert here around 428, and that's it. And another one around 440, before 440. So that's where I'm gonna sell the rest. So yeah, buy Netflix. I don't need Netflix anymore. I'm not trading Apple here. I'm holding Nvidia. So Nvidia, like I said, my stop loss is here. And yeah, my PT is 500. In fact, my PT is 502, which is this level here. But yeah, I'm gonna take most of my profits around 500. So I'm gonna put an alert there. And then let's just put another alert around 487.50. Let's see. No. I'm gonna put an alert here at this 490 around there. So it gets there. I'm gonna sell the rest because I don't feel like holding Nvidia until for tomorrow. So yeah, no, I'm gonna put 490.72 around there. Mm, yeah. So if it goes there and loses that support, which is the support, this rejection area here, I want to see it holding it as support. And I'm gonna take most of my profits around 500, and then I'm gonna leave some runners, and I'm gonna be out around 402. Okay, thank you. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. ¿Qué opinas de Spy? Spy? Spy, like I said before, like there's not much that I see on Spy. Spy, it's at a very strong resistance, so I don't think it's gonna break this resistance, so I don't see a Spy doing much today, honestly. I don't see a Spy doing anything. Like just being here. Ooh, look at Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. Okay, so 1 hour before the market opens. I don't think I will do that because that's too early for me. 1 hour before the market open is when I'm doing like the charts. Yeah, so for SPY, just watch out this resistance. If you can break it and use it as support, that is extremely, like extremely bullish. I I don't know, I don't see it like doing that today, but who knows? Who knows? Almost 30% on the 505 contracts on Nvidia, and I'm 50% up on the 500 contracts on Nvidia. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Um, how did I learn? Just practicing. Practicing. Um, Watching a lot of charts, like, and going back and see, like, the best thing to do is like learning what's your style, what can be your style of trading. You want to scalp, you want to day trade, you want to swing trade, you want to do a little bit of everything. But at first, don't do a little bit of everything. Just do whatever makes you feel comfortable when you're trading. Because for me, I can do a little bit of everything, but I know scalping makes me nervous. So I don't love I can scalp because sometimes the market is just the only thing that it gives you is for scalps. But I know I don't love scalping. So whenever I can do day trade or swing trade, that's what I do. And that's what I've been doing. Like from May to July, I had unbelievable gains because I was swing trading, but the market was going up in a clear, very simple, easy to follow uptrend. Now the market, like on this month, it's been like it went down the first few weeks and now it's kind of going up again. So for me, that's a market for day trade, not a market for swing trade. Even though I swing Netflix yesterday, but I still don't feel like very comfortable swinging. So, yeah, I kind of like we need to adapt to whatever the market is giving us. And I think right now is for day trades or scalping. Um, Thank you. No, but I really appreciate you guys being here. So, yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm still holding sorry, I'm still holding like one runner on Netflix or two. I don't even remember. And I have Nvidia. So, yeah, Nvidia, like I said, I'm gonna take a bunch of profit, most of my profits at 500, and then I'm gonna take a little bit more at 502, and I'm just gonna leave maybe one runner. It depends on what time of the day today it gets to 500 or 502 because I'm not gonna swing Nvidia. And my stop loss, I think I'm gonna keep moving up my stop loss and either to VWAP or these pre-market high, which is morning high also. So I wanna see Nvidia holding 493. Yeah, around 493 support. But yeah, Nvidia looks amazing. Love it. I have Robinhood, I have Interactive, I have E-Trade also. And I have Webull, but I don't use Webull because I don't like how we will have like very bad feels. So E-Trade, Interactive, I swing trade on Robinhood because it's free. Tesla, the 920 and 200. I don't use any SMA. Only the 9 SMA. I'm sorry, the 9 EMA on the 5 minutes. Only to kind of see the trend, and kind of is like confirmation that I'm going in the right direction. But honestly, I can definitely trade without the 9 EMA and without the VWAP also. I like to see like clean charts. I don't like to see charts with a bunch of stuff. In fact, I think having a bunch of indicators make it very make it a little bit more difficult for you to make a decision. Use support and resistance. That's it. Strong support and resistance and the trend. That's it. That's everything that I use to trade. Only support, resistance, and what's the trend? The trend is up, we go for calls at a strong support. The trend is down, we go for puts at a strong resistance. That's it. So, yeah, guys. So, see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Bye.